let us now see an example of default constructor. So always remember that we use constructor for providing the default values in our program. So constructor is a function automatically called by the compiler. So let us first see the default compiler, how to use it. So let us declare a class called something like name, and inside that let us create int a, int b. Let me call them public int a, int b. Okay, we have declared two data types, variable of type integer. Now see, what is a constructor? Constructor is a function with the name of the class itself. It is a function. If you don't define any constructor here, the function name is the class name itself. Now let us give some default values here. This is the function, this is the constructor, the name of the function. So don't get confused, I will write it as something like xyz for clear understanding. xyz. So the name of the class is the name of the constructor function. Now let us give the default values here. A is equal to, we want these default values. B is equal to 30. So constructor is a function which is used to provide the default values. Always remember that. And the name of the constructor function is the same as the name of the class. So now when we create, like, we know how to create an object xyz, class name and object. So now what we have done, as soon as we have created the object, the constructor function, this one is called, and the default values are a is equal to 20, b is equal to 30. Automatically the default values are 20 and 30. Let us see. Let us write cout a and l b. Object dot a and obj dot b. Let us quickly run it first. Let us see whether there are any errors. Everything is fine. See here, the value of a is 20, 30. We haven't declared any values. So what happening when we are creating the object? As soon as we create an object for the class, the first thing it will do, the compiler, it will call the constructor class. This class is called, and we have provided some default values. So now a become 23 and b become 30. And this is how, this is the use of the default constructor. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video.